Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a new eyeshadow palette that I picked up at Target. It is Pixi by Petra, and the name of the palette is Hazelnut Haze, and it comes in this cute, adorable little lime green palette with 9 shadows. And let's jump right into the video and I'll show you how I got this look. So the first color I'm going to use is the color Cream out of this palette. Right here. I'm going to go ahead and lay that down as a base. And these are really super silky eyeshadows. They go on really nice. This is the first Pixi palette that I'm trying. And then the second color I'm going to go in with, the color Bark right here on the end, and I'm going to use that in my crease. They do blend really nice, and that's like a really good brown color. I'm liking the way this is going on. Really effortless blending. It's always nice when you purchase something and you love the quality and the blending especially. It doesn't even seem to be any fallout at this point yet, which is always nice. Just make sure I have that blended. Yeah, I'm liking it so far. So that's that color. So let's try using this shade called Russet next. It's that reddish burnt orange color, and I'm gonna put this down onto my lid area. Yeah, what do you guys think? I'm liking this so far. Quality seems really good. I feel like they haven't done a ton of palettes, so I'm excited that this is, I like the colorway. And I think I'm going to go in with this gold color next in the middle on the top row. So, and that color is called just basically Gold is the name. And I am going to just put this on the kind of inner corner with my finger and blend it over the other shade. And then I'm going to go in with the darkest shade of the palette, which is right down here, and that shade is called Deep. And I'm first going to just use my pencil brush and put a little under my lower lash line. And then I'm also going to put some, just to kind of emphasize the outside V. I'm gonna actually switch brushes here. Just kind of try to wing out some of this like darkest shade here and making sure that I blend it out. So that's it for those shades. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my eye makeup. I'm going to use the Joa Black Crayon Liner. And I'm just going to line my eyes with this, starting with the upper lash area. then I'm just going to go in with my mascara, which is this L'Oreal. This is the Voluminous Superstar in black. And it is a dual-sided mascara. I really like this mascara. I have tried it before and it's great. I actually think it is one of the better ones that they have as far as like grabbing onto your lash and really building up the color. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.